Today, most industries are feeling the effects of shortages in both labor and raw materials. The baking industry is no different. As we've seen over the past 2 years, producers of baked goods must be prepared for unpredictable hurdles and challenges as the new normal continues to change. But as severe as those challenges have been, the worst one for the world of baked goods is likely the least predictable: the war in Ukraine. Ukraine isn't called the breadbasket of Europe for nothing. This country supplies a significant portion of grain and oil to the commodities market. And even if the war were to end today, there are longer-term impacts to the suppliers of these commodities due to disrupted shipping routes, planting cycles, damaged crops, labor shortages, and more. With all this in play, an innovative ingredient supplier can be your biggest asset when navigating these supply and production changes. Key partnerships can help you come up with new ingredient combinations and formulations while helping you protect your brand and keep product functionality, freshness, and flavor top of mind. This is especially important when changing key ingredients in baking operations that include items such as gluten, oils, and more. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date on the latest food news by signing up at thebakerstake.com.